Welcome back to our channel. So for today's vlog, another informative video na naman because I'm gonna share with you guys kung paano ba ang process or step-by-step process sa pag-a-apply ng tourist visa for Japan dito sa Doha, Qatar. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Ano nga ba ang mga steps na kailangan yung gawin? Ang unang-una sa aking listahan is complete all the requirements. Kumpletuhin nyo lahat ang mga kailangan na documents, guys. At ang mga documents na ito ay mapapanood nyo doon sa isang video ko na in-upload nung nakaraan. I will leave the link below para ma-review nyo yung mga kailangan nyong documents na i-prepare para sa visa application nyo. So, that's the first step. Complete all the requirements. Ang second step naman is go to the embassy. Saan nga ba ang embassy ng Japan dito sa Doha, Qatar? Ililive ko din sa description box ang address ng Japanese embassy dito sa Qatar para madali na lang sa inyo. And also, merong timing kung anong oras lang pwedeng mag-submit ng mga documents or for visa application. Ang timing nila is 7:30 to 12, Sunday to Thursday. And then pag Ramadan naman, 8:30 a.m. to 12 noon. So, uulitin ko guys, Sunday to Thursday from 7:30 a.m. to 12 noon. And then pag Ramadan naman, 8:30 a.m. until 12 noon. No need for an appointment. Pwedeng walk-in, guys. So, kailangan nyo lang tandaan yung timings kung anong oras lang kayo allowed na mag-submit ng mga documents or for the visa application. Based on my experience, guys, re-reviewin nila lahat ng documents na sinubmit nyo. Tapos, pag may kailangan sila or pag may kulang, they will let you know. And then, pag okay na lahat, once accepted na, they will provide you a passport collection receipt or passport collection slip. Dun sa passport collection slip, makikita nyo dun yung details nyo, like your name, your passport number. Nakasulat din dun kung kailan kayo babalik for collection. Kung meron man kayong questions, do not hesitate to ask the person in charge para mas klaro at para wala kayong maging hassle or wala kayong maging problema. So again, the second step is go to the embassy, submit your documents. Okay? And finally, the last step is go to the embassy to collect your passport. So, doon sa passport collection slip, ang sabi ko nga, nakalagay doon kung kailan kayo kailangan bumalik. Tapos, guys, tandaan nyo lang din, meron siyang timing kung anong oras lang kayo allowed na mag-pick up ng passport. It is from Sunday to Thursday, from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Tapos, pag Ramadan naman, it's 10 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. So, again, ang pinakahuling step lang, guys, is go to the embassy and then collect your passport. So, ayun lang, guys. Yun lang ang kailangan yung steps na sundin. First is complete the documents, all the requirements needed. Second step is go to the embassy, submit all the requirements. And third step is go to the embassy again to collect your passport. So, ayun guys, I hope this video will help all those people na gustong mag-apply ng Japanese tourist visa dito sa Doha, Qatar. At sana ma-approve ang visa nyo at makatulong tong video na to. Thank you for watching, guys. See you again on the next vlog. Bye-bye! So, in here, guys, ito yung sample passport collection receipt. Naka-mention dyan kung kailan nyo babalikan yung passport. Tapos nakalagay din na no charge because for Filipinos, walang bayad ang visa application for Japan.